Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for more information about that can be found up here in the corner. So, on the US dollar Canadian monthly, I do believe this is potentially the end of a wave 5. This first move down is most likely an A. I definitely see three waves up. Looks like an A, B, C, or B. And I think that we are going to end up continuing the downtrend for at least a wave C, which will most likely go all the way down to about the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected off the top of wave B. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think that this is the end of an ABC of B. I think this is a 1. I think this is an ABC of 2. And I still believe that this is going to keep on trending down, making lower lows, lower highs in a wave 3 of wave C to make that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So keeping that in mind, let's keep going down to the daily. On the daily time frame, we have almost a perfect downtrend here. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We definitely do have three waves up right here and a lower high. Big impulsive move down the last few days. As you can see, we are bouncing off a fib level, but I do believe any moves that we see to the upside on the sort of time frames are only going to be corrections to the downtrend. And I believe that this is like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and that we're now in a wave 3 of wave 3, which this wave 3 should be a wave C on the much longer time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we have a nice uptrend right here, which I believe to be an A. We definitely have three waves down. I think that's an A, B, C, or B. And this move up did make a lower high, but I think that is a wave C, and I think that's an irregular wave C because it made a lower high than the wave A, which definitely does happen sometimes. I do believe it is most likely a wave 2, and I do believe that we are in a downtrend. Now, we are going up right now. It kind of looks like on the 1 hour it's made three waves, but it probably is more likely that it is going to go up and wait for tomorrow's CPI news for the US dollar before it actually does end up continuing the downtrend. So let's take a closer look at that on the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, on the 1 hour time frame, it definitely did make three waves up right here, but I think that's probably not accurate. I think it might make a move to the downside, but it may actually be more likely to be a wave B and then probably go back up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels to make a wave C. And then I bet tomorrow's CPI news is what's going to actually cause this to end up continuing the downtrend. Like I said, we do have to remember that we do have CPI news for the US dollar tomorrow, and I do think that that news will give us a good clue about what's going to happen next. If this looks like it's in a correction, like an ABC shape at the news, then I would say that the odds are very, very likely the news will cause this to continue the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.